Alright, greetings to everyone. We're here right now in Green Bay, Wisconsin, where it's the home of the #1 manufacturing facility in the herbal industry here in the United States. For so many years, they're actually celebrating their 50 years of existence this year. So we have partnered with a supplier. Nature's Way, Trust the Leaf is their branding and their tagline. So in marketing, it's very important to partner with a brand that has been existing for decades already. And they have credibility, they have integrity, so that when you promote the products, when you promote the business attached to our wonderful products, you are sure that the products are superior, the products are premium, the products are effective, and it will work on every people around the world where you would offer our wonderful products and business. So for all of our leaders around the world, may you be in the Philippines or in Asia or in any parts of Africa, or maybe in Solomon Islands or Papua New Guinea, or about to open our AIM Global business anywhere in the world, be proud. We have partnered with a decade-long, 50-year-old billion-dollar company a year, Nature's Way. So with us, AIM Global, you're assured of quality, premium branding that attached to our brand as well. Be proud. You're with AIM Global. God bless.